everybody, it's Brittany with Seaside Vacations. I'm filling in for Adam this week, and this is your beach report for Tuesday, April 5th. It's been a crazy day here at the Outer Banks. We've actually had some tornado watches in effect, and we've got winds at 21 miles per hour right now and a temperature at about 67. So it's a little chilly out here, and as you can see, pretty windy. It's great for surf. We've got chest to shoulder high surf this morning, and it's going to fade away to a stomach high surf this afternoon, but it's definitely a good day to get out here. As far as fishing goes, we still have reports of bluefin tuna getting caught, and actually we've heard that there's been some that are too big to take in, so fishermen are hoping for smaller fish today out in the water. I'm going to give you a quick look here at the beach, and if you're heading this way, make sure to look us up, Outer Banks Vacations.